Hello Aquarius! Ready na ba kayong alamin ang sikreto at mensahe na hatid ng tarot para sa inyo ngayong buwan ng Marso? Tayo'y sisisid sa makapangyarihang simbolo ng mga baraha upang tuklasin ang mga opportunities, hamon at sorpresa na nag-aabang para sa inyo. Huwag ito palampasin. Tara na't alamin kung ano ang inahanda ng universe para sa inyo. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to introduce myself. Hi, this is M from M's Guide Tarot Reading and I am an intuitive tarot reader. So in this tarot reading session, we will be deep diving into the March forecast for the zodiac sign Aquarius. We will be discussing the career, love, and health reading for you guys. So without further ado, let's begin. Ang tema para sa buwan ng Marso para sa zodiac sign na Aquarius ay creativity. So, this month of March, now is the time to get creative. Kasi kung kayo ay may idea, wag nyo itong palampasin kasi baka itong idea na ito ay mag-create ng opportunity para kayo ay makalikom ng abundance at prosperity. So, kung meron kayong mga ideas na iisip na something out of the ordinary, you can write it down and maybe maaari mo tong gamitin in the future. So, yun ang tema. Tandaan nyo lang na if you feel like doing something creative, wag mong pigilan kasi it might create opportunities for you this March. Okay, for you Aquarius, ito ang career reading nyo para sa buwan ng Marso. And the card that came out is Three of Cups in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, when it comes to your career or when it comes to money or finances, it is better to always have three heads than one. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi palaging pwedeng ikaw ang tama pagdating sa decision making or hindi pwedeng palaging tingin mo ay yung idea mo ay pinakamaganda against others. So yes, your ideas may be great, your ideas are good, but sometimes it will not work for everyone. So yun ang sinasabi ng card. So it is always better to consult with other people when it comes to your work, your finances, and your money. So with the clarifying cards here, ang sinasabi, you're trying too hard to control the situation when it comes to work. So, ang sinasabi dito, maaaring alam mo na may mangyayaring hindi maganda pagdating sa trabaho. And as much as you want to control it, there are things na hindi pwedeng kontrolin or there are just some things na kumbaga, it is out of your hand. Hindi mo ito, kahit na anong pagpigil mo, kahit na anong depensa mo pagdating dito, hindi mo talaga ito mapipigilan, yung mangyayari. It might be an ending or it might be a disaster waiting to happen this March. So, as much as you can, you're trying to hold your, kumbaga, yung position mo or you're trying to defend yourself from an outcome. And the next set of cards here, the Nine of Swords in the reverse, the Queen of Pentacles in the reverse, and the Strength card in the reverse. Nauubusan ka na or mauubusan ka na ng bala. Kaka-defend dito sa sitwasyon na ito. So again, relax, take a chill pill, kumbaga. And Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi lahat ng bagay ay pwede nyong kontrolin. There is only such, ah, parang meron lang certain amount of things that you can control. But other than that, nasa palad na ito ng ibang tao. Kasi hindi naman natin kayang kontrolin lahat. And ang sinasabi dito, the guidance for you, relax. Uh, be honest, be truthful. Kung meron kang mga bagay na hindi sinasabi, na maaring pwedeng it might be a two-way sword for you, maaring makasira ito sa'yo, pwede din itong gamitin para sa pag-progress ng career mo. So, kailangan mo you need to come out clean about this. Kasi yun lang ang way para ma-avert mo or maaring it is the lesser evil path, kung baga. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. So, career-wise, I think March will not be that good for you guys. But again, ang guidance para sa inyo is do not parang you cannot take control of everything, and kung meron kang gustong sabihin, sabihin mo na ito. We are now moving into your love reading for those of you who are in a relationship. This is your reading. If you're not in a relationship, you can skip this part and go to the next one. So, pagdating sa love, those who are in a relationship, magiging rocky ang relationship nyo ngayong March. So, Queen of Pentacles in the reverse, meron kang mga bagay na hindi mahanap or meron kang mga bagay na hinahanap sa partner mo pero parang it's not being given to you. So, with the clarifying cards here, your person loves you very much, but it seems like stability-wise or commitment-wise, kung kayo ay nag-uusap na ng higher level of commitment, like getting married, getting engaged, your person is still not there. So, mahal ka niya, pero hindi pa siya ready mag-commit or ibigay sa'yo yung commitment na gusto mo. And dahil dyan, ikaw ay mapapaisip. Itong taong to ba ang gusto ko makasama, or gusto ko ba siya maging jowa hanggang how many X years, pero this person is not putting a ring on it. So, yun ang sinasabi ng cards. You will be thinking about it. Yung commitment nyo, is this person really serious about me? Kasi, ang sinasabi dito, Two of Wands in the reverse, parang para sa'yo, kung wala ng progress or kung nakikita mo na hindi na siya magpa-progress into a more serious type of relationship, you are willing to let it go already. So, Ten of Swords in the reverse, ready ka nang mag-move on at humanap ng iba. So, there would be a lot of temptations coming in this March for you guys, and you have to buckle up. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. So, get ready because relationship-wise, it will be a rocky March this month. Okay, for those of you who are single, ito ang love reading nyo for the month of March. And ang sinasabi dito ng cards is, do not be too judgmental when it comes to your potential partners. So, if you are in the dating scene, so you're dating, meron ka mga ka-talking stage, ang sinasabi dito, wag masyadong prangka. Kasi, maaring lumayo sa'yo yung mga potential partners mo dahil sa pagiging prangka mo. So, raratratin mo yung mga ka-talking stage mo or yung mga ka-date mo ngayong buwan ng Marso. And mukhang aggressive ka when it comes to saying things bluntly or yung mga out of the blue. Example, nakita mo yung ka-date mo na pangit ang ngipin or sungki-sungki ang ngipin. Sasabihin mo sa kanya, well, you're eating, na pangit naman ang ngipin mo, paayos mo yan. So, yung mga ganong bagay, sometimes you have to keep it to yourself kasi you might be hurting the feelings of other people. So, wala namang masamang maging prangka, but keep in mind, put yourself in the shoes of others. Kung ikaw ba ay sinabihan ng gano'n, magugustuhan mo ba? So, action reaction kumbaga. So, isipin mo lagi yung mga lalabas na words and things, filter it out before you say it because you might be pushing people away and people might think that you are too harsh, masyado kang harsh pagdating sa words mo and people might not like it. So, iba yung pagiging prangka, iba din yung pagiging totoo, iba yung also just saying things bluntly because you just want to say it. So, think before you speak because you might not like the kumbaga maaaring hindi mo magustuhan yung outcome ng mga gagawin mo ngayong March. Okay, health-wise this March, mag-ingat kasi maaaring kailanganin mo ang tulong ng ibang tao pero ah maaaring hindi ito maagapan agad. So, kung ikaw ay may mga nararamdaman na sakit sa iyong sarili, pumunta ka na agad sa health expert or sa doktor kasi sila ang makakatulong sa'yo. So it's saying here, mag-ingat din sa mga potential mental health issues. Kung ikaw ay may mga problema or sitwasyon na mararanasan tungkol sa pamilya, it is always better to step back. Huwag palaging argumentative, combative, yung palaging dakdak ng dakdak ng walang patutunguhan. Kasi maaaring makatrigger ito sa iyong physical health. So, take care of your health, take care of your mental health also kasi you'll never know, may mga sakit na pag sobrang stress, maaring may mga pumutok na ugat. So, yun ang pangalagaan mo ngayong buwan ng Marso. So, to end your tarot reading session, I have oracle cards here for extra guidance. And the first one is Shine. And the last one is reveal what needs to be seen. So, yun nga, kagaya nung sa career mo, ang sinasabi, magsabi ka na ng katotohanan, kung meron ka pang hindi nasasabi sa kanila, sabihin mo na, and when it comes to your creativity, kailangan mong mag-shine ngayong buwan ng Marso.